So far, 150 teams have come through the program. Get about 40 per year, up to 50. Depends on the deal flow that we see. They come for approximately 120 days, give or take, depending on the complexity of the technology they're working on. And really we're looking for companies doing really cool stuff in either consumer technology, in healthcare, in enterprise IoT, or in kind of industrial robotics, industrial manufacturing technologies.
So the teams that you have are obviously coming from all over the world. What is the main reason you'd say Shenzhen is such an important location for these companies to prototype?
You can literally prototype anywhere, but it takes a long time. Doing things here in Shenzhen means that you're optimal in terms of speed and efficiency into the manufacturing supply chain. We've got this saying, and it was actually one of our founders came up with it, and we kind of stuck with it since, but we tested it recently. It is basically true. A week in Shenzhen is like a month anywhere else. So the teams come here for 3.5 months, they get about a year's worth of R&D done.
What type of resources do the companies get access to?
Really the main offering we have is in our team. So we have a full stack engineering team, 30 full-time staff just here in Shenzhen. We've got graphic designers, filmmakers, pretty much everything you'd require as a hardware startup.
And what about marketing?
And marketing, yeah, of course, yeah.
Which
So,
is really important for startups.
Yeah. Did I not say marketing? Yeah, marketing as well.
Do you see 100% of these teams going from either a concept or early stage to be ready to ship their product out? Or?
Overall, we anticipate that 40% of the companies at least are going to fail. Because it's really hard doing a hardware startup, and actually that's fine. We just want to accelerate that death so that the founders can go on and do something else, and then make sure that we've accelerated the success of the ones that we believe are going to be ultimately successful.
And once the teams go through the program, the intensive program here in China, in order to scale, like you said, hardware is one that is more difficult than maybe some of the software companies to scale. You then have a follow-up program in San Francisco. How does that work?
A company has to basically go to two places, really. A hardware company does if they're going to scale. One is they need to come to Shenzhen to start with, where they get hands-on help with R&D and scaling to manufacturing. And then second is San Francisco, where they will learn about dealing with investors, getting venture capital funding, and also getting customers that will help to build their portfolio of sales.
In terms of follow-up, once these teams are done with the program, do you continue to follow their progress?
We form a relationship with the companies, and then really we save 75% of our funds to do the majority of the investment after. So that really means following up with the companies that we think are doing really fantastically well, and then making sure that they're getting to the next level.